Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete domains from Shopify. Now, this is a quick and easy tutorial. What you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Now, after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify, click on settings at the very bottom left. Now, keep in mind that to delete the domain, you will have to set you have to set again my Shopify domain as default, okay, which is the default domain on Shopify. Okay, this domain is already on any Shopify store, because like any website, it cannot run without domain. So just click here. I'm going to explain to you guys how you can delete it. Click on domains, and here you will find all your domains. Now, I just created the Shopify store for videos like this. I don't have any third-party domains connected to the Shopify, but it's the same. Okay, here you will find all your domains. Okay, now first you want to click here on the domain that says myshopify.com. Okay, click on it and make sure you click on this change domain type, and make sure you select the first option, which says primary domain. Click on change domain type. Now you're gonna go back, and any domain, that third-party domains that you have connected or you have purchased through Shopify, just click on them. And now somewhere here, as you can see, you will see this red button there that says here delete domain. Click on it, and that's exactly how you can delete all your domains from Shopify. Now just click on delete, and then the only domain that will not be deleted is the default Shopify domain name. Okay, this is going to stay with your Shopify forever. Like I said, you cannot delete the primary or default domain from Shopify. You can only delete your domains that you have connected to your Shopify. You can easily delete them by first set up myshopify.com domain as primary, and then you can delete all your third-party domains. So hopefully this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like, and see you guys next one.